Here are the two schools for tonight's show. St. Jago High from St. Catherine up against Campion College from St. Andrew. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. St. Jago High is represented by Team Captain Shanari Lindsay, Leroy Casanova, Abigail Barnes, and Joel Henriquez. While Campion College is represented by Giovanni Gregory, Team Captain, Cruz Shirley, Julia Dunn, and Davin Ricketts. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the second match in our quarterfinals of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu and your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Campion College won and decided to let St. Jago go first. So we begin with St. Jago. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please may I have that time on the clock. St. Jago, your first question is in Spanish. Who is el o la periodista?
The journalist.
That's right. Spanish for Campion College. Who is el peluquero?
The hairdresser.
Or barber, correct. International Affairs of Visual for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Bidia Devi Bandari.
President of Nepal, correct. International Affairs for Campion. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Frank Bainimarano.
Incorrect. Macky Sall, President of Senegal. Literature for St. Jago. In William Shakespeare's play, The Tragedy of Hamlet, Prince of Denmark, what is the name of Hamlet's uncle and brother to the former king?
Claudio.
Claudius is what I have. Judges, literature, not accepting. Literature, Campion College. In William Shakespeare's play, The Merchant of Venice, what is the name of Antonio's close friend and later the husband of Portia?
Shylock.
Incorrect. Bassanio. Music and audio for St. Jago. Listen to the following clip and identify the artiste.
Hadaway.
That's correct. What is love? Music for Campion College. Listen to the following clip and identify the group.
Green Day.
Incorrect. Semisonic. Closing time. French for St. Jago. What number is 99?
99.
Correct. French for Campion. What number is 78?
78.
Good. Theater and cinema. Visual for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Marlon Brando.
The Godfather. Correct. Theater and cinema for Campion College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Al Pacino.
That's right. Jamaican heritage for St. Jago. Complete the Jamaican proverb. No wait till drum beat before you.
Graniox.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for Campion. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Them give you basket for carry.
Water.
Good. Sport or visual for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Hashim Amla.
Incorrect. Moeen Ali, England cricketer. Sport for Campion. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Joe Root.
England cricketer. Mathematics for St. Jago. 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. What is the next number in the sequence?
34.
Good. Mathematics for Campion. 3, 10, 21, 36. What is the next number in the sequence?
55. 55.
55.
Correct. Bible knowledge for St. Jago. In which book and chapter of the Bible is the verse, "The Lord is my light and my salvation, whom shall I fear"?
Psalm 27.
Good. Bible knowledge for Campion. In which book and chapter of the Bible is the verse, "Seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added to you"?
Psalm 103. Psalm 103.
Incorrect. Matthew 6. Biology for St. Jago. Epinephrine is produced by which gland in the body?
Adrenal gland.
Adrenal gland.
Correct. Biology for Campion. Heparin is a hormone secreted by what human organ?
The liver.
Is correct. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be St. Jago High on 9 points, Campion College on 7 points. It's time now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Geography. The question is, the Isle of Man is located in which sea between England and Ireland? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.